Today we're looking at a 1997 Daihatsu Hijet. This one is a twin cam 12 valve, so it has a little bit more power compared to the other models. This one is somewhat modified. It has ray brig headlights, which are very nice compared to the OEM. Expensive. You have a front lip for some added style points if you're into that. Something else small is a roof rack bolted to it. Can't bolt anything super heavy to it, but if you did have to pack something kind of light, you just strap it down up here. Taking a look at the inside, the gauge plastic has been painted white and orange. Interesting design choice. It also has cup holders up here, which are nice. Now this has 64,000 kilometers on it, which equates to roughly 40,000 miles. So 40,000 miles or 64,000 kilometers on it. Aftermarket radio, pull-out tray. This one does come equipped with AC, and it works. Typical 5-speed, no extra low. Selectable center diff, and a locking rear diff. You have the original paperwork here in the dash. There's your owner's manual and the auction paperwork. This was a grade 3.5 with an interior grade C at auction. The four-wheel drive is push button. Some minor surface rust here in the bed. Nothing major, but you can tell it was used for some kind of work. And this rack on the back is not OEM, but it's still firm and mounted. It's got great tires on it, plenty of life left, not old. The door cards even got attention when they modified it. This custom stapled over fabric and these cool unique locks. Now let's go underneath it. It's fairly clean, only surface rust anywhere. It looks like this vehicle used to have over fenders on it. You can tell by the screws there at the door. It does not affect anything with the rest of the vehicle. You can tell it's here on the rear fenders too. Still no leaks from it. Underneath the front. Again, pretty clean. Retractable antenna, which is nice. A lot of them don't have this.